Did you know that you can actually get rewarded for shopping every single day online? Pretty cool stuff. Watch this. Head over to receipthog.com and you can get rewarded every time you shop just by uploading your receipts onto this app. It's very simple. Step 1, shop at any store, in person or online. Step number 2, upload your paper or digital receipt into the app. And step number 3, earn rewards and redeem for extra cash. Couldn't be simpler. So some of the ways you can earn are you can upload a paper receipt, you can even upload digital receipts, and you can even fill in surveys for more opportunities to earn and get bonus rewards. To start earning, all you have to do is download it from the Google Play Store or the Google App Store. Now that's pretty darn cool, right? Lots of different ways to earn online these days. I mean, imagine getting rewarded just for shopping. But listen, if you want to 20x that and really generate some significant income, I'm going to show you a way where I generate 5 figures every single month, 100% from home. Just go ahead and follow me on my channel and click on the link in my bio to get my free training step by step. See you soon.